my wonderful people. Greetings from Family Chef to you. Today we are going to cook just simple food, okay? You come from work, you are tired, you are in a hurry. I'm going to show you quick egg dinner. It can go as lunch, it can go as dinner. So bear with me. I love you guys. Okay, let's go straight to the ingredients. I'll show you. This dinner is really quick. I have my bell peppers. You can use any bell peppers. This is really sweet one. That's good. I have my 3 eggs, okay? People think egg is only go for breakfast. No, it goes for dinner and lunch too. I have 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper if you like heat. And I have 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. I have my salt and olive oil. So I'm going to cut all this. It's simple dinner. I will show you quick. Okay, now you can see all my veggies is being cut. Okay, you can cut it a bit the day before. This is really quick. And the pepper you can use as much as you want. I'm having 4 eggs, okay? So it's like 1/4 cup of the peppers, onions, and the spring onions. All right, we are going to brown this pepper and see how we're gonna do it. My pan is in the fire. Now grab up my olive oil. My onions goes in. So our pepper. You can put everything on the pool. I have my bowl here. I have my 4 eggs and I have 1 teaspoon of flour. So let's see how we put everything together. This is my tuna I drink. I have my cayenne pepper here. You can use any pepper you want and my nutmeg. Okay, now here I'm going to crack my egg. One teaspoon of the flour goes in the egg. And now the egg and the flour is in. Let's dump in the peppers and the onions that we saute. Okay. Now let's dump our tuna. Okay. Now the tuna is in. All right. Here's go 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You can use Jamaican pepper. Here comes with 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Please let's give it a little bit of salt, okay? 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Pinch of it. And here I have about 2 or 3 tablespoons of cheese. It's optional. You don't have to use cheese, okay? The olive oil go in the pan. You have to level it. Make sure it's level. You think egg is only for breakfast? No, this can go for dinner, it can go for lunch. All right, we are going to let this bubble for 4 minutes, then we turn it over. Okay, now let's see if we can turn it over. It's been cooking for, oh my God, it's been cooking for how many minutes? 4 minutes. Let's turn it over. Okay, this is the end of the food. Look at how good it looks. Oh my God. So you are going outside to buy pizza. This doesn't look like pizza. Very healthy. Family chef. But you feel you about what bread. And got ready, I know about it in white, stadium coin. And yummy green tea. It can go as a breakfast, it can go as a lunch, it can go as a dinner. Please make sure you drink green tea. Why? Look at that. Tuna in them, aren't you jealous? Tuna, egg, bell pepper. You can put any veggies. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can bring more videos. Okay? Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it.